Imagine writing a resume like it's the 1960s. On a typewriter, no backspace, no copy and paste, not even a Control-Z. No spell check, just pure stress and sore fingers. What if a Gen Zer had to write a resume the old school way? And yes, he'll even need to find a post office. Outside, in real life.
My name is Faris, I'm 24 years old, Gen Z. From Manchester, UK. I work as a massage therapist and some other bits here and there.
Do you have a full-time job right now?
No.
Would you be willing to look for a job with us today?
Yes, I am, yeah. I need something stable now.
We're going to have you do it the old-fashioned way.
How old-fashioned are we talking?
You have to apply for a job the way they would apply for a job in like the 60s.
Oh.
Step 1, finding the right job opening. It's the 60s, so where do you look if you want to find a job without LinkedIn?
What is the first thing that you would do if you were in the 50s with no technology and you were applying for a job?
I guess look for vacancy signs.
Another way that you could do it is to use
a good old newspaper.
Let's see what we find.
Newspaper.
I guess we're looking through a newspaper. Our fish smarter than we think.
Kill all humans.
Before he starts writing his resume, it's important that he finds a job that he would be a good fit for. That's why he's looking in the newspaper.
Pro tip.
It's important to always tailor your resume to a specific job opening.
Oh, God. I don't know. One thing I do know from a British newspaper is there was always something called like the third page lady or something like that. Okay, I think we found something here. We've got a job as a masseuse in a spa, a personal assistant. I think I could do that. Let's check these out.
Step 2, the typewriter.
Let's reveal what is in the box.
It's time for him to write his resume. But he's not allowed to use Kickresume like a sane human being. He has to use a typewriter. You know, a lot of people think AI is going to take over and destroy the human race and stuff, but I don't know. That typewriter looks pretty destructive.
I don't have the patience for this.
Faris is now 7 drafts in. The paper's sweaty, he's sweaty, the typewriter's judging him, and it's only been 30 minutes.
How did people not die of boredom doing this? Because I'd be like writing my resume and then I'd just pop over to Instagram and take a little scroll.
It's a full-on war between man and machine, but Faris is losing pretty badly.
But it getting used to it a little bit now. Quite rapid. I don't know why, but I didn't expect them to have a backwards button. It just kind of surprised me. That's enough for the hobbies. It might even be enough for the whole thing. Whoa.
All right, that looks, yeah.
It looks very average.
It looks very sub.
It ain't much, but it's honest work.
So, do you think you could score a job with this?
Yes.
Now that Faris is done with his resume, at least the information side, we're going to include a professional photo, which is common practice here in Cyprus. So, it's time for a fashion show.
Sup, y'all? I'm not really sure about this one. It's a bit too official for me. All right, I think we're just gonna go for a classic t-shirt and blazer.
Now Faris has found the outfit of his dreams. We took the pictures, but unfortunately, because we're not attaching them to a PDF, we're gonna have to go print it out.
Waiting on the picture. They let me choose my background.
Now Faris found the openings, he created his resume, he attached his photo. It's time for him to send off his resume.
Okay, we're at the post office.
Oh.
What?
It's closed.
They're closed?
They're closed. Where do we go from here?
The show must go on. How do you feel about applying to jobs in person?
We can do that.
Okay, so plan B. The office is closed and Faris is officially out of willpower, but we move. It's time to use the next oldest trick in the book. Deliver the resume in person.
How'd it go?
On to the next.
On to the next? Okay.
On to the next.
Try again.
Hi, mate. Sorry. I wanted to ask if you've got any open positions.
Any?
Open positions?
You want to leave your...
Take a look. Yeah,
Okay,
take a look.
Okay, I'm
Fingers crossed. I'm from England.
England.
You're,
The
yeah,
last 3-4 years, I think you are the only European who's coming here.
the only European.
I like this job, like, you know, waiters and whatever.
Thank you, mate.
Very much, and we'll give to the manager, and if not...
Good thing Ferris is an extrovert.
Try again.
Still jobless. Let's try this one over here. Maybe this is more for me. It says closed, but I see someone inside. Just before we continue, can I... he's here. Is it okay if he records?
Sure.
Yeah?
What exactly is going on here?
This is a robbery, my dear.
Well, we're recording a bit of a video to see if I can get a job the old-fashioned way. Take a look. Receptionist. I'm Faris. Yeah.
English, Arabic, Greek, Russian?
Yes. Unfortunately not.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I see what this is. Content. Okay. All right. What sort of experience do you have?
Well, I mean, I have experience working behind a desk, you know? So I know my way around a computer. I have experience working with people as well, so I think I'd be a good fit.
He's also a masseuse.
I am a masseuse,
You're a
yes.
masseuse.
I am a masseuse.
That's actually a much
yes.
that's much
Yes.
better.
Well, yeah, I could even be a
Because
masseuse.
we do have an opening for a massage therapist open right now.
Oh, okay.
Significantly better than the receptionist. I would not put you on reception. No offense.
Oh.
What kind of massages do you do?
I do Swedish massage, just a typical relaxing massage, and a deep tissue massage.
I'm the owner.
Oh.
So it's up to me whether you get hired or not. What you could do is you could give me a massage, and then we'll see.
If I'm up to par.
You're up to par. But
Okay.
let's just schedule an appointment. And
Okay.
You can come in and we can do that.
All right.
Yeah. All right. Well, nice to meet you.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Okay.
I'm not gonna lie, I didn't think that would work. It looked a little bit too fancy for my blood, but you know, that went pretty decent, I think.
All right, Ferris, you did pretty well. How do you feel about today?
I feel like it's a pretty decent day, actually. I got rejected by most, but I did find one that seems pretty good, you know? Working with Allah. She apparently wants a massage from me, but that's my job in the end of the day.
Oh, yeah! Would you go through this again?
Would I go through it again? No. I gotta take this off because it's absolutely boiling.
Anything to say to the viewers before you go?
Don't do what I did.
Oh, yeah!
So, what did we learn today? That writing a resume in the 1960s was an absolute horror nightmare. Just maybe you should hug your laptop tonight. Not like that, you freak. Because the delete key, the formatting button, that undo shortcut, they're magic. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe for more content just like this.